In previous videos, we have discussed about the pseudo class in CSS. In this video, I'm going to show you the pseudo element in CSS and what is the differences between this pseudo element and this pseudo class. At first, let's create a new file. I want to use here the boilerplates and I want to change this document into the pseudo element. And after that, I want to create here the another element that is the style element, and inside the body I want to create here the paragraph tag, p tag, and inside the p tag I want to write here lorem 30. And at first I want to say you something here, the differences between the pseudo element and the pseudo class. Pseudo class is used to represent the special state of an HTML element, and pseudo element is used to target the specific part of an HTML element. So inside the pseudo class, we have discussed about the different state of HTML element. Like we should talk about the anchor tag, then if anchor tag is in the vegetative state or the active state or in the link state or in the hover state, then we can use the different style of CSS there. But in pseudo element, we can style the specific part, like the starting of this text or starting of the line or specific part of the line, or we can represent this lorem text, or you can say the element in a specific part. We can give the font size, font weight, and anything CSS style, whatever we want, but we can define it in a specific part, like the before or after element, before element, and then the first letter, first line, and so many things are over there. At first, I want to create here, I want to select the p element here, and to represent the pseudo element, we have to put the double colon. In pseudo class, we have used the single colon, but in pseudo element, we have to use the double colon, p double colon, and then I can write here, I can select here the first letter. Okay, this lorem is removed from here, so I want to write here again L. Okay, first FIR as the first letter, and if I want to give the first letter color as red, and if I want to say the font size also, then font size 35, if I give the 35 pixel. And if I go to browser, then I have to click here the go live options. This code is running here, and you can see here the L letter is bigger, and also this color is changed into the red color. And also we can change the first letter, and also we can change like the first letter also, not only the first letter, first line also. So if I type here first line, and if I change this color into the green, and if I give the font size as 20 pixel, 20, and then the pixel, and if I go to the browser here, now the first letter of this lorem text is changed into the 20 pixel font size, and color is changed into the green. Likewise, we can insert something inside before and after. If I create here the heading tag before the p tag, if I type here s3 tag, and if I type here this is heading, and if I style this heading, that if I type here the s3, and if I put the double colon, and if I type before, and if I want to insert I can insert here image also, and also the text also. So I want to insert the image. To insert the image or text, I have to write here content, and to insert the image, I have to write URL. And if I type here my image name, then you can see here my image is before this heading 3. And if I want to put the image after the s3 tag, then I can just simply type here the before into the after. And if I go to here, now this image is put in after this is heading tag. And if I want to put the text, or you can say the normal text, then I have to write here the content, and then I can write here this is after. Okay, this is after, let's use the ng heading. Okay, and if I go to the browser here, now this is after heading is inserted here. And also if I type here p colon, and then the selection property here, and if I give the color as red and the background as red yellow, and if I go to browser here, now if I hover this text, if I select this text, then it color became red and background color became the yellow. In this way, you can use the pseudo element in CSS. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much.